Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to fix if your YouTube comments are not showing. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into your YouTube account. Go to YouTube Studio, and then when you are in your YouTube Studio, all you have to do is to click Settings, and then click Channel. Look for Advanced Settings. And then as you can see here, one of the reasons why you cannot see or most of the comments are not showing up, it's because of this, your advanced setting. Always make sure that you didn't click this, okay? But instead this one. Because if you set this for kids, then there's a big possibility that most of the comments will not show up. Another way is to go back to your settings again and then kind of click community and then go to defaults. And another reason why YouTube comments are not showing up, it's because of this. Never click this one, never click disable comments, never click hold comments for review, but click allow all comments for you to see all the comments on YouTube. Click save and go back to your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and visual tutorials.